My name's Ryan Abramovitz. I am a Melbourne-based artist and emerging author. I am 31 and I have lived experience of losing my father to suicide when I was 26. An Elephant's Elegy is a picture book that I am authoring and illustrating, and it chronicles my family's journey to try find peace, closure and clarity in the passing of our father to suicide. It follows the story of 3 children inspired by my sisters and I, Wanda the whale, Grace the galah, and Nevaeh the nightingale, that go into the sky looking for their father's soul, wanting to understand why he left Earth. It is my hope that everyone who reads this book will feel seen, understood, and supported in their healing journey. For a long time, I wondered why I had to experience the loss of a parent to suicide. And in hindsight, I understand that this lived experience, coupled with my love of words and being an artist, uniquely equips me to bring this to the world in a way that perhaps no one else could. An Elephant's Elegy is the most meaningful undertaking I've ever done with my life's work. I've never felt more passionate or more strong about something, and I see a world in which talking about suicide is okay, in which it is not veiled in such stigma. Following the death of my father, there were cold, lonely, confusing nights. Contemplating why he left, what could I have done, haunted by those questions. I know that this book would have been an incredible carrier for me following my dad's death, and that is why I feel so strongly that it could support others in their own journey to try find peace and closure in something that can be earth-shattering. Fundamentally, An Elephant's Elegy has proven to me that our darkest chapters can become the source of our greatest strength, and that we can use our experiences to produce outcomes that can help others and that can become the sources of our greatest inspiration.